Hi guys, my name is shotguner1's and I do comedies on Modern Warfare 2, and today I am playing on Underpass. I like to call it a something else. Oh no, right. Anyway, I'm using an invention, heartbeat sensor, of course, because it's new to it. I believe I'm using the model 1887. Yep, akimbo. With guns and claymore. You'll see why I've got the claymore. See that guy behind me? I fear I'm going to die here. In this video, I go for the nuke. First time I actually that's the first time I actually try for the nuke. And I just find my claymore there, and you see it work to my advantage. And this game I play defensive / scam, whatever you call it. Yeah, I've got camping because basically that's all you're doing. You're sitting in one place practically, one part of the area, and not moving. I won't spoil anything that happens in this video really. So I'm just going for a 7 kill streak here and let my highs do all that work. I'm on a 3 kill streak, and I got a hit marker for that guy. But I decided to do something tactical here. Never go out the door, go out the window, because they'll be walking up the stairs wondering where you are. If they're looking at the window, you jump back up in the window and then jump through there. Very simple. There's me on my 4. I'm on my 4, so I see people dying up there, but I'm just being really cautious here, because I really do want to get the nuke in this game. And that guy was lucky not to kill me with that nuke, and he is really bad in this game. I believe he only gets like 4 kills and 15 deaths. And I see a guy sniping, I'm not even going for that guy. I hate that guy right at this moment. I wish he'd die. But that's just me. I see this guy is getting constantly shot. And if you see it, right, I'm hitting this guy. I'm definitely hitting this guy. I'm getting him in the head and all that, and it's not responding to my shot. I see a guy out here for the heartbeat sensor, but I don't want to go out there too far. I see him at the top right, but I don't want to advance on him. I see this guy coming close to me. I call it my model 1887. Because simply it's a real good defensive movement. And really, I don't even know how I reload them, and I really don't know how this happens. I'm looking down here, and this guy does not even work for me. I don't want to run in behind him because I know that's a bad idea. So there's me got my hires. I'll just sit behind this. Hires are like 15 times better than those crappy, what they call them, pack helicopters. They've really downgraded the power on those things. I mean, it takes you 2 bursts basically to get killed by one of them. I've only died like at the most 8 times by one. Like, not at one game, but that's in total of times I've died with them. And I'm just sitting waiting on my higher. That's me on my 9, 10. I'm thinking one more. I'm just constantly looking at my heartbeat sensor and my radar, because I feel my hire's not doing anything here. I'm worried it will just fly away and I'll need to try and get a single kill myself. Which, if you're on a 10 kill streak, people are looking for you. I thought I would try and get a flawless game in this game. Doesn't work. I don't care if it's for that, because anyway, I get the shotgunner, and basically I just started to own it right here. I see you always go, or always try to go for the guys with the white line around them, should I call it? Yeah, white line around the corner. And I should have got the guys from the left. Bad idea from my point of view. I should have really went for the more open guys, but really, I'm on my 20 kill streak here. I'm 5 away from it. My heart's going, like, the adrenaline's pumping, like, like, oh yeah, record and get into the same video. And this bitch with thermal, you ass, like, that's one of the game things that they've added, which is actually not a bad idea. I don't mind thermal, it's just the fact that you go low, like a loft ghost, is quite annoying. Especially if you get killed with it when you're on a 20 kill streak. Personally, I don't like thermal. I think it's very inaccurate. I mean, I've got it for the war, cause I've got it in fact for every sniper. Right, and a couple of sort of rifles, I forgot to say anything else. Not really. I don't really think here that, I just kinda lose my focus of getting a good KD here, and I die quite often because of my wussyness, or whatever you want to call it. And I say this guy's got to kill me. If you got room, just stop down. That's what I do. Sorry about that whole noise. Just stop down, right? Don't try to do anything fancy or pop shots or anything like that. If you see a guy and he starts shooting at you, you get down, because the chances of him hitting you is decreased very. And I was like, poofed her with the thermal. And I'm actually watching the full of this. One hit KO, he's not even got stock power on. He's got lightweight on with without FMJ on, or I think he has got FMJ on it, but still without stock power and intervention you can't kill. And that's the most accurate, and I think it's that's most powerful, or apart from it, that it's still intervention's got higher power than that, and I failed to snipe my guy. Now, I'm thinking I could go for vanilla some kill streak here. The reason that I wanted some kill streak was, so I'm going to people need to win, right? I do cut off all the time, and I get a bad KD constantly. And I'll be able to shot a guy, because grenades won't kill me, especially at that range. I mean, I get the hit mark on this guy. In fact, I took a kill. No, I didn't. See guy, I think he's flanked behind us. And the game is really just, I can, well, it's 3/4 of the way through the video. And I'm just thinking I could get a couple more kills with my models. Models are extremely powerful, as I keep saying in my videos. They are really powerful. Should be downside fast as possible. Now the A12, I really do like that sniper shotgun preference, because the rate of fire, the damage what it does, if it only had more ammo say would be better. That's what the extended mags are for in it. Something that I really like. Now this guy, as you've seen before, tries to nuke trip. He's really bad at that nuke trip. He could stop trying to be nuked and just go back to his normal actual assault ratio. And I switched with this guy. He's not dying. He's Superman. And I just got KO'd by that guy in the window. Cover on this game is very good, half decent, but if you're not up to end from the cover, it's quite bad. There's not a real thing you can counter against it apart from FMJ. If you don't have that on, then that's basically you saying, I can't get good, I can get anyone through a wall. You'll just hit mark on, like I tried to do in my latest video. I'm going to post, yes, I just remembered. Stay tuned for like 3-4 videos. Next final kill. My final KD is 126. 6-1 KD. I want to say really subscribe, so I'm looking for loads of subscribers for my later videos. Stay tuned and goodbye.